Hi there, this is Bonrek The Orc, and today I'm playing Gunpoint, and what I've got for you today is a little tip for those people that like to mess around with the level editor and create their own user levels. And the tip is how to include sound detectors, which you can see I have a sound detector in it. Now I know a lot of people have been disappointed with the level editor because of all the things that it includes. A sound detector is not one of them, and a lot of people have wanted to use sound detectors in their own user created levels. So I'm going to show you how to include a sound detector. Now, first of all, I'm just going to get that out. Now this is where I want it to be, and what I do is I place an object, and in this case I'm going to just use this oil drum here and place it here because it's roughly the same size, and I know the item number for that. So now it's best that you place whatever object you want to replace with the sound detector last, and the reason for that is just to make it a lot easier to find. So now we've put an oil drum there, so we can save it, and then we Alt-Tab. Before we do that, we must come out of the editor and back to the menu, otherwise we won't be able to do this. So we'll Alt-Tab to the location of where we've got Gunpoint installed. Now, unfortunately I can't tell you where it's going to be because it's going to be different on everybody's machine depending on where you installed it and whether or not you're using Steam. But you go into once you're in the Gunpoint folder, you'll see a levels folder. So you go into there and you find the level that you're working on. In this instance, it's the datasec secure location that I'm working on. So you double click on that, and because of the .lvl extension on the file name, it'll tell you it can't open it. So you select a program from the list of installed programs and click OK, and it should recommend Notepad. Where it says always use a selected program to open this kind of file, you can keep that checked, but I always like to uncheck it, and then you click OK, and it'll open up Notepad with a list of numbers. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of that, the last object that we placed is these 3 digits. Now, the first of those 3 digits, 230, is the object number, and the next 2 are the coordinates of that object. Now we want to replace the object 230 with the sound detector, so we just replace the 230 with 483, and then we save it and close it, and then we come back to Gunpoint, go into the level editor, and we notice we've got a sound detector here. Now it might not be in the exact same place that you put the oil drum, but it doesn't matter because now it's here, you can move it and you just position it to where you want it, save, and you can come out, it doesn't matter, you go back into it and it'll still be there, and you can even play the level, and as you notice you've got a sound detector, which in this level I've got on the green circuit. So there you have it, way to use sound detectors in your own user created levels using the level editor. I hope you found this informative and enjoyed watching this. Please rate, comment, and most of all please subscribe. I could use some more subscribers, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.